Happy New Year from Vibe Steez. I don't know the thing going in our kitchen. First day of 2024. So I cook some food, cause boy, we're not that hungry, you know. So watch what I want. Come here, my G. We have some ground turkey and cabbage. We just shut up that, some corn in it and look a thing, you don't know a thing go. And a normal show. Well, I'm let me show you the texture, everything. Yes, man. Brown turkey and cabbage and a normal pre. Alright? You have left a part there. Come over here, sir. Now we have some cabbage. You understand? So that's cabbage, no meat, no day, no this. Or this vegetable, corn and them thing there. Alright. Life on the pot again. You are going on the show now. Got some stew chicken, I go and do it thing and I go and mail out. God Almighty, we can't wait for it done. Alright. Next part of the show. You know, we now forget that something here. The rice and peas, something now, man. Yeah, man. Done right, everything nice. I watch me now, no? We're going to put a couple pieces of fish. Or flour nice. And put it in this to get some deep fried fish. On the side, different. Watch how I go on. Yeah, man, I eat this, man. Done flour up already. Done season up already. Now I'm going to the pot. Yes, I am. One more go on that. Yes, man. See it there? I will tell you again. Happy New Year from Vibe Steez Kitchen 2024. More love, prosperity, and more good food. That is it. Liverpool and Newcastle play. That we are watch. First day of January. Alright.